Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you step by step how to shop on AliExpress. First of all, you want to create your AliExpress account or log in to your already existing one, of course if you have your account. Then browse application to find the product that you want to order. You can simply explore your homepage or go to searching bar at the top of your screen to find a specific product that you want to order. So let's find this one, for example, and you want to open item, and before placing an order you always want to check seller's rating. So let's go to seller's page. To do that I need to tap its name below photos right here. And at the top of your screen you should pay attention to percentage of the positive feedback, and you always want to aim for at least 95%. So let's go back to this item and check photos of the item that seller provides you. Then let's go to reviews section. You always want to pay attention to reviews, and especially those ones with photos, because they can expose real quality of the item. Yes, so pay attention to reviews, and also you can pay attention to star rating that this item has. And now let's go to description section. So here you can see all product details, also specifications, so check those. And also here you can see some additional photos that this seller has. Okay, so now let's go to top of the item, and I can select the color of the item. Also I can select size if it's applicable, and also set some quantity that I want to purchase. Now I can select if I want to add this item to my cart or I want to buy it. So this is order confirmation page, and firstly you have to select delivery service right here. So there are two options. The first one is delivery to an existing address, and the second one is pickup points. So here you can set your delivery address, you can add new address, you can see your current one, you can edit it, and you can completely delete it. But make sure that your delivery address is correct, because if it's not, then you will simply not receive your package. Then let's go to payment section. So here you can add your card and also see some more options available. Tap confirm. Scroll down to summary section. So here's the total amount that you're going to pay, and also you can apply some promo codes if you have your promo codes. So enter it here and tap apply button. And finally, when everything looks fine and you're ready to order, you have to press pay now button. After payment, you can track your item in the section my orders until it's delivered. But for example, if you have some issues and problems with your order, you can open a dispute to get a refund or replacement. So that's how you can shop on AliExpress. I really hope that this video helped you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.